The latest beef in dancehall is between artist Laden and Noface Unknown. Basically, Noface Unknown is saying that Laden is taking his style and flow and knocking off his rhythms. Let's take a listen to what they both had to say.
You see some boy that try sing like Noface. I want some boy if you know say one Noface Unknown. You see what I say? Me say Laden a sing, they try sing like me. And they try sound like me. Me are the real thing youth. None of them bad like me. You see it? When I go and knock over man rhythm, when I hear man rhythm and knock over man rhythm, and they try running. I want to feel like, you think me think normal? When if you know talk to the boss, you know. You hear me I say? So Laden, you can't sound like me, you can't bad like me, you're not mad like me. A chemistry me thing there. You see it? So no boy wanna feel like they can't go and live on my shadow, cause that don't do. You see me? No face of the maddest, this kind of side. You see what I say? Unknown God. Fully tank up. And if you know that, in a one go. With 4 corner. Remember that you. Cool. You see me? Don't talk, you know. No boy, Laden, you're not bad like me. So I don't know if I want to try bringing that thing. Do it now. I ask you who a company top now. In a one go you. You see it?
Not nice. Star level.
I want to them. After me, I want bus. Bus already. Do some pussy.
Never da. Star level. You want me, no they can't level.
Stop your mother.
Me gone far level. We up the pass all level. Me a smile out Jamaica walk one level. Me dep on a star level. I from 09 me take me dancehall level to a star level. Cocky to that nice. Big house on the hill with a pool that nice. Clean every day white rice. Me no see them like the 3-line mice. Money me I make owning these effects. Ready for tour the world so me need a jet. Straight Gucci and Louis V. You don't even guess.
Be a boss back of that. Money run this
Me dep on a star level. You want me no they can't level. Me gone far.
Okay, now that we've heard Noface Unknown side of the story and Laden's flow in his response to Noface Unknown and the rhythm that is playing in the background, let's take a listen to the flow and rhythm that Noface Unknown came into the dancehall game with. Let's check it out in these samples.
Salam alaikum, my Jacob. Money aroma, me wake up. Me stay up all night with this shit and any kinda jealous of millions to make up. Dollar sign get for me last nerve. Them want kill me for the password, but them woulda never hear me say the last word. Early bird catch the last word. Money man a pre-tank up. See the bad mind, them a pre they want we bankrupt. What them did they? When nothing and go on, I be a drop dep on the farm. What them did they? When hungry turn on and no money in my palm. When them did they? When time play out and no money in my route. When them did they? Me never see none of them. No, never see none of them. All of a sudden, be a man start running. Be a man start running. Everywhere me go, east, north and south. Be a man start running. Me no know why. Be a man start running.
Now here are the type of flows that I know Laden for. Let's take a listen to a few of his more signature style in these samples.
This year me nah relax. Me want me props. Me lyrics them a chop like them carry knocks. Me see clear, it's coming. Me no want be knocks. Say me ya go get famous like Bob Marley locks. Roll through in a me can't relax. Y'all see me and can't relax. Them love me, Lord Jesus. 3 stripe like Adidas. We run the place, yo we call these shots. Small cheese and all these rats. Me style a kill them, call the cops.
Money in my pocket and me a spend. Anything goes, anything happen. Me want see gal no bully na pen. Come a gal thing German, him full of them. From we reach party just start up. Send across couple of the Moscados. The gal them see we them must start us. And some a say them have a crush from such time. Whoa.
Now that we've heard both sides of the story, here's my take. Lad is a very good lyrical artist with versatile delivery, and maybe he has flows that I've never heard before. So I cannot say without a shadow of a doubt that he's never flowed like this before. I just never heard it. However, as far as I know, the style and the flow that Noface Unknown came into the game with was different from what I had seen before. I actually like his song and gave him props for his originality. I cannot say that Laden is jacking Noface Unknown style just based on his claims and this one response, because sometimes the rhythm pattern dictates the flow. However, in this response, Laden actually sounds like Noface unknown DJ pattern. And the rhythm pattern also sounds like the rhythm from Noface unknown Tank Up song also. Here is a problem that Noface unknown will have. One cannot copyright a flow. You can copyright the lyrics and melody of a specific song, but unfortunately you cannot copyright a DJ style. And the general public don't really care who had the style first, but who uses the style best and who have the bigger songs. Noface unknown has two things going against him. The image that he came in the game, it was controversial. People are just not trusting of shock value artists anymore. So he has credibility issues. Yes, his story of him wearing a mask because he tried to save his mother from a burning building and got burned in his face. So he covers it up with the mask, sounds heroic. But I don't think that no one can verify his story. So I don't think that dancehall fans have bought into it fully as yet, if they ever will. The second problem that he has is that he's going up against a bigger, more liked artist in Laden. And people tend to pick side with the bigger artists. Call it bias or wagonist syndrome, but it is what it is. Thanks once again for checking out my videos. It's greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.